Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create bulk AI videos using automation. Here you can go and type Google Flow. Then you need to open this website. Now click here, create with Flow. And now you need to create an account. Let me select this one. And after that click here next. Then accept terms and conditions and click on continue button. Then click here new project. And now we need to install an extension. Here you can type VEO automation and you will get different extensions. So this one is the first, autoflow. Click here, add to Chrome, then add extension. Here you can see extension is added. Click here pin button. Now let's go back and view this extension, and here you can select the language, then click here. Now you can select the creation mode, text to video, image to video. Here you need to add your prompts, then scroll down. Here you can add folder name and then click on settings. Here you can select number of videos per task, then select AI model, landscape, portrait. So this one is for long videos and this one is for short videos. After that, now let's go back. And here we need to add some prompts. Let me open ChatGPT, and after that create 2 prompts for VEO3 video, one for car, for flying taxi. Write prompts so that video should not have any text, only images, objects. Then press enter. Now scroll down. First one is for the car video. Click here extension and add here first one. Scroll down. So this one is second one. We can copy both of these and then add here. Then scroll down. Click here add to queue, then start queue, then run on this page. Now here you can see it is starting automatically. First video is started. Once it will complete 100%, then it will automatically start second video. So guys, here you can see second video is started, first one is complete.